Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about sorghum, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with sorghum. So if you're new to using it, you're not sure what to do with it, or you're just looking for something different, new recipe ideas or meal ideas, menu ideas, hopefully this list will help you out. This list is very long. Sorghum goes with all sorts of things. So I broke this up into two parts. So this is part one. I'll have a link to the part two video below. Make sure you check them both out so you can get the entire list. Pair sorghum with almonds, cinnamon, fruit of choice, maple syrup, and vanilla. How about sorghum with black beans, garlic, kale, and tahini? Or sorghum with butternut squash and garlic? How about sorghum with carrots, leeks or onions, and parsley, as in a pilaf? How about sorghum with cilantro, garlic, lime, and onions? Or sorghum with cinnamon, raisins, vanilla, and milk of your choice? Or sorghum with coconut and raisins? Sorghum with dates and pecans? Or sorghum with dried cherries and pine nuts? Well, that's it for the first list. Stay tuned for the second video in this and you'll get the rest of the list. Take care and bye for now.